Now think about this. The concept of buying prepaid credits for recharging cell phones is a popular one. But have you ever thought of using prepaid credits for energy recharge?
A company called Gram Power has done just that by installing smart prepaid meters that detect energy theft, optimizing the supply and demand of power in rural Rajasthan. Take a look.
Electricity continues to be a rare commodity in remote areas of India. Even if villages are connected to an electricity grid, the cost of electricity is often too much for the majority of villagers to bear long term.
India loses almost about 58% of its power, and a majority of that is because of power theft. Number two is that it's very difficult for people to make payments, or they just end up defaulting with their payments. And then the last thing is that people do not get access to a reliable supply of power. The power supply just cuts off whenever there is a shortage. So these are the three problems that we wanted to address, and all these problems lie with power distribution.
Introducing reliable and affordable power supply to these villagers in Rajasthan is Yashraj Khaitan with his smart microgrid innovation called Gram Power.
Our first power plant was launched in March of 2012, and by August of this year we'll have close to 27 power plants that will be functional across 27 different villages, and a total of over 1,000 families will have been served by August of this year. We're also working on several projects now which will help us achieve our goal of reaching around 30,000 households within the next 24 months.
Gram Power has essentially designed a system that addresses the most pressing challenges of power distribution for people who need it the most.
The theme of Shunya integrates pretty well with what our technology is able to achieve. As because of this smart distribution technology, we're able to ensure zero power theft, zero defaults, zero power cuts, as well as zero carbon emissions.